Welcome. In this tutorial, I'm going to show you or teach you how to use Stockfish on chess.com. So if you want to know how I did it, just keep on watching. So first of all, you want to open your browser and search for chess.com. And now just go ahead and log in your account. And if you don't have one, just go ahead and create one. Okay? So now, once you've logged in your account, you should see your completed games right here. Okay? In this part. But on my account, I don't have any completed games, so you cannot see any of my completed games right here. Okay, so once you've seen your completed games, you should click on the analysis. Okay, so once you click on analysis, it will direct you onto game that you have played. So just go ahead and wait for the analysis to finish. And once it is done, you want to click on the settings icon at the upper right corner of your chessboard. Okay, so once you've clicked on the settings icon, you should see the chess engine. Okay, so just go ahead and click on the drop down button and you should choose Stockfish. Okay, and that's it. That is how you use Stockfish on chess.com. So I hope this video helped you, and if it did, make sure to like, subscribe, and hit the bell notification so you won't miss a video. See you in the next one and have a great day.